Little man's upset. He wants back in his cage. And I don't have everything all set up for him. Are you asking, Mama? Oh, sweet little guy. Because of his poor eyesight and his poor depth perception. Oh, he figured it out. Sometimes he has a really rough time getting back in his cage, and I have to help him. But it's nice and brightly lit around his cage right now. You like being able to go in and out, don't you, buddy? Was it time for a little snack? I know what you want. You want Mommy to change your water so you can wash your his head. And then change the water in the bottom of the cage so you can get another full bath. Hey, sweetheart. Well, Mommy better get on the ball and get the fresh water for you so you can get down to business. You guys have a great day. Bye.